All right, tub's backing up. What a shocker. 90% of the time the tub backs up. All it is the drain, there's hair in the drain. So depending on the type of drain you have, it could be a screw in, it could be an Allen key, it could be a top where you have to screw off and then a Phillips head screwdriver. It could be two screws here and you pull the stop and waste out. But this one's a screw out, so we'll unscrew it. There's screws there. And you see down there all that hair? That would be what you call a clog. So you get some toilet paper, some needle nose, whatever you got to do to get this junk out. It seems like there's some funky stuff going down there, weird drain. So what I'll do then is run the water. Sizzle it a little bit, get in there, break the stuff up. That's one of these stupid things that fly. What? It's one of them stupid things that turns, and that's how you clog it up. So another thing is I'll take a plunger sometimes. This is a good plunger. I'll take a good plunger sometimes and put it down a little bit. Let the water fill up a little bit. It's all about the plunger. You can't get a junky plunger. This is a good plunger. Turn the water off. This one's kind of hard to block the overflow plate, but you want to block the overflow plate so the air doesn't go out this way. Lift it up. Hit it a bunch of times. And the standard rule of thumb on a tub is if the tub spout's running, it will back up a little bit, but as soon as you hit the shower head on, as long as the water drains out, when the shower head's running, you're good to go. As long as you're not standing in water. So that tub looks pretty good. It's actually not even backing up much with the tub spout on. This is a newer style piece of crap faucet that I don't know who makes this, but it's junk. So it just doesn't put out a lot of water on the tub spout. But that's draining real well now.